Hi guys, DJ Klem here, and this is 1 Minute Monday. So if you're an artist or a producer, you're new to the game, just getting into the game, in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to give you a piece of information that could change your career forever. So pay attention. And my time starts now. Create every day. Mastery is the result of repetition. People say it takes about 10,000 hours of practice to become a master at anything. So for instance, I've been producing music for about 20 years. And in those 20 years, I've been spending an average of 2 to 3 hours minimum per day working on my craft. Some days it's significantly more than that. So that means that whatever it is that you're doing, if you're trying to become a producer, if you're trying to become a singer, a songwriter, you need to be doing it every day. You need to repeat processes, repeat patterns till they become ingrained in your psyche. They become a part of you. That is when you can unlock genius. So if you're a producer, make beats every day, repeat the process. If you're a songwriter, write every day, create every day. It's only at that point that you can become perfect at what you do. So start now. My time is up.